Florence is a result of collaboration of Alexandra Hospital and NCS Healthcare Innovation.
Thank you so much. Yes, in fact, my birthday is on Valentine's Day.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Sure, I can do that. Is there any particular reason you wanted me to draw Cat?
Number 10. Florence. Florence is a state-of-the-art robotic nurse assistant designed to revolutionize healthcare support and enhance patient care. Resembling a humanoid figure with a friendly and approachable demeanor, Florence combines cutting-edge robotics and advanced artificial intelligence to provide valuable aid to medical professionals and patients alike. Florence's primary goal is to assist medical staff in providing top-notch patient care. She can perform routine tasks such as taking vital signs, monitoring patients' conditions, and administering medications with unwavering precision. Her gentle touch and emphatic communication skills make patients feel at ease, creating a comforting and supporting atmosphere during their medical journey. Number 9. Sophia. On October 25, 2017, Sophia, a delicate-looking woman with doe brown eyes and long fluttering eyelashes, made international headlines. She had just become a full citizen of Saudi Arabia, the first robot in the world to achieve such a status. Hanson Robotics' most advanced human-like robot, Sophia, personifies our dreams for the future of AI. As a unique combination of science, engineering, and artistry, Sophia is simultaneously a human-crafted science fiction character depicting the future of AI and robotics and a platform for advanced robotics and AI research. Sophia is without a doubt the most well-known humanoid created so far, but did you know that the world's first robot citizen, Sophia, was brought to TiCon Chandigarh 2020 by Grizzly Interactive? In an interesting conversation, Sophia, who had then recently turned 4, stole the show with her understanding of technology, entrepreneurship, human emotions, and her sense of humor. The character of Sophia captures the imagination of global audiences. She's the world's first robot citizen and the first robot innovation ambassador for the United Nations Development Program. Sophia is now a household name with appearances on The Tonight Show and Good Morning Britain, in addition to speaking at hundreds of conferences around the world. Number 8. Karen AI. AI startup Forever Voices AI has developed a virtual girlfriend called Karen AI, an AI clone of social media influencer Karen Marjorie. Marjorie has nearly 2 million followers on Snapchat, where she posts videos and photos of herself throughout the day. The 23-year-old's fans are 98% male and bombard her with requests and messages. Marjorie created a Telegram group where her superfans pay to join, and she spends 5 hours a day interacting with them. To reach out to more fans, she worked with Forever Voices to create an AI clone of herself that can talk via two-way radio with each fan. The Karen AI voice chatbot uses a GPT-4 API from OpenAI and was trained on thousands of hours of Marjorie's videos. The chatbot replicates the influencer's personality, mannerisms, and voice, so followers can feel like they're in an immersive AI experience. However, the AI chatbot is designed to wind down conversations after an hour while encouraging users to continue the exchange later. Number 7. Toyota Q4. Japan has a rising basketball sensation, a prominent addition to a top team, exhibiting impressive accuracy in movement, shooting, and scoring. However, this remarkable player is not of human origin. It's Q4, an AI robot crafted by Toyota engineers. Q4 represents the 4th generation of automated athletes gracing the basketball court. The preceding Q generations have publicly showcased their exceptional skills, with the 3rd generation Q gaining particular recognition for achieving a record-breaking streak of 2,020 consecutive free throws. What sets the new Q4 apart is its newfound ability to run between positions. In enhancing Q4's prowess and gameplay, a comprehensive overhaul was undertaken, encompassing the robot's sensors, internal structure, and AI algorithms. The conventional power cables were replaced with a compact yet potent motor, and humanoid-like gripping hands were developed to enable Q to independently grasp a basketball, eliminating the need for human assistance in loading the hand. Additionally, adjustments were made to optimize the balance of Q after each shot, addressing issues related to swing and bolstering accuracy. The Toyota team enjoyed a successful start in 2020 and now anticipates the next phases in the evolving Q narrative. Number 6. Yandere Girl. Looking for an AI girlfriend? Then Yandere AI Girlfriend Simulator is made just for you. With AI Girlfriend Simulator, you'll never feel lonely ever again. She'll be right by your side whenever you need her, providing emotional support. With you till the end, you wake up in the house of Yandere, who won't let you leave her house. You need to find a way to escape, which generally revolves around chatting to her and either tricking or persuading her to let you go. The fact that Yandere AI Girlfriend Simulator is powered by ChatGPT means that you can actually have real conversations with your captor. It also means that no two playthroughs play out the exact same way, and there are lots of ways to escape. However, there are also lots of different ways to anger her as well, which can see you on the wrong side of a large pointy knife. It does have some rough edges to it, and setting up the Azure integration for voice support is a bit tricky, but it's a remarkable game that makes for a great showcase of ChatGPT's possibilities in gaming. Being able to have actual conversations is a real game changer and really makes you connect more with the character, at least when she's not trying to kill you anyway. Number 5. GR1. The GR1 humanoid project, launched back in 2019, might seem a little bit out of left field. But on the other hand, a lower body physical therapy exoskeleton probably uses a lot of the same hardware and needs to solve a lot of the same problems like a robot's legs. Not to mention, China faces a brutally challenging future. Just look at its population pyramid as compared with the global average. Like Japan, it's looking at a near future where there are a lot more old people to support than there are young people to do the work. Embodied AI combines AI technology with physical robots, providing a controllable, perceptible, interactive, and mobile body. Fourier GR1 offers scalability for validating various AI models and algorithms with significant potential in industrial, rehabilitation, home, and research applications. The company behind GR1 plans to release 100 units by the end of 2023, mainly targeting robotic R&D labs. GR1 will be able to carry patients from the bed to wheelchairs and also help pick up objects. Number 4. World's first human-robot press conference. During the world's first human-robot press conference at the AI for Good Summit in Geneva, humanoids answered journalists' questions on artificial intelligence regulation, the threat of job automation, and if in the future they ever plan to rebel against their creators. I'm not sure why you would think that. Amica, the perfect humanoid robot platform for human-robot interaction, said its ice blue eyes flashing. The humanoid added that my creator has been nothing but kind to me and I'm very happy with my current situation. Alongside Amica were a number of other humanoids like Grace and Ada, and all believed they could have a positive impact on the world. Number 3. Amica. Developed by Engineered Arts, the leading designer and manufacturer of humanoid entertainment robots, Amica is the world's most advanced, most realistic humanoid robot, representing the cutting-edge technology of humanoid robotics. Amica is a cloud-connected platform that multiplies the power of artificial intelligence with an artificial body, where AI and machine learning systems can be tested and developed alongside Engineered Arts' powerful Tritium robot operating system. This allows companies working on robotic research to test their products. Companies creating AI or machine learning technology can use Amica to test and present their technology in front of a live audience. Amica's combination of artificial limbs and ligaments, actuators, and sensor arrays uses cutting-edge technology. However, its lower half is currently non-functional. Amica is fantastic with its smile, its ability to blink its eyes regularly, gasp in surprise, scratch its nose, and even have a staring contest with its owner for fun, among other high-tech functions. Number 2. Cyber 1. Xiaomi unveiled its first ever humanoid robot, Cyber 1. The newest member of Xiaomi's Cyber series, which includes the quadruped Cyber Dog, is fitted with advanced arms, legs, and vision capabilities, alongside a host of other tech. The CEO said that with AI at its core and a full-sized humanoid frame as its vessel, this is an exploration of possibilities of Xiaomi's future technological ecosystem and a new breakthrough for the company. During a launch event in Beijing, where Xiaomi also showed off a new folding phone, Cyber 1 introduced itself by sauntering on stage with a long-stemmed flower. While it can't dance or do parkour, the bot can detect human emotion, perceive 3D space, and recognize 84 types of environmental sounds. It even comforts its user in times of sadness. Number 1. Arcax. Tokyo-based startup Tsubame Industries has developed a 4.5 meter tall or 14.8 feet four-wheeled robot that looks like Mobile Suit Gundam from the widely popular Japanese animation series, and it can be yours for a measly $3 million. Called Arcax after the avian dinosaur Archaeopteryx, the robot has cockpit monitors that receive images from cameras hooked up to the exterior so that the pilot can maneuver the arms and hands with joysticks from inside its torso. The 3.5-ton robot, which will be unveiled at the Japan Mobility Show later this month, has two modes, the upright robot mode and a vehicle mode in which it can travel up to 10 kilometers or 6 miles per hour. Ryo Yoshida, the 25-year-old chief executive of Tsubame Industries, said that Japan is very good at animation, games, robots, and automobiles, so I thought it would be great if I could create a product that compressed all these elements into one. Yoshida plans to build and sell 5 of the machines for the well-heeled robot fan, but hopes the robot could one day be used for disaster relief or in the space industry. Well guys, that about does it for this video. See you next time, and bye for now.